Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today I'm going to do a plan with me in my food diary, which is a Walmart Traveler's Notebook by Pen & Gear. I have a tassel from Dollar Tree. The poof is from Dollar Tree. The Traveler's Notebooks by Pen & Gear were part of the seasonal products during back to school. So some Walmart still carry them, some of them don't. So it's kind of hit or miss if you'll be able to find it if you're interested. But I have my Dollar Tree inserts in here, and this is the one that I'm using as a weekly. So here is last week's spread. This card is just from Simply Gilded journaling card, but I thought it was nice for a nice touch for Valentine's Day, and it kind of complements the spread. Anyway, moving right along. So next week is the first full week of February 3rd through the 9th. And I decided that I'm just going to do like a mermaid theme. I have so many colors and things like that laying around, so I'm just going to do that. So I pulled out this washi. This is really the only one that I'm sure I'm probably going to use. I may use this Simply Gilded washi also. I'm not sure. So I've pulled out my two colorful boxes, Happy Planner books. I had a request to do a spread using functional boxes. So that's what we're going to do today. And I think I am going to use my wax paper again. And I'm also going to use 5144, the Happy Planner sticker book from Joanne, wax paper. Okay, so here is my wax paper. Let's see what we can accomplish here. So again, I wanted to use a mermaid theme, and I wanted to actually make room for lists for meal planning and room for a grocery list. Since we are a mermaidish theme, I'm going to go with these stickers. And so this one would come over here. So I would have to position them like that. So this is kind of helping with the positioning of the stickers. And then I would do it here. Also so that I'll know where to place my tape. Or would I do it here? And then do I like this color? It seems a little washed out compared to the other one. So let's see what else we can come up with. I thought that one was going to work, but it's a little too washed out. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use two full boxes. But do I want them on the outside or the inside? I think we're going to go for the inside. And then this seems to scooch up a little bit. So we're going to do something like that. Okay, so that'll work good to have the columns there because I don't really need that much space on each day to write out what I'm eating. That'll give me room for my list. Okay. Or maybe I should do the green. Nope, we're going to stick with what I've done. Okay, so, and then that will go with the tape, the washi tape that I've pulled. Let's see what we can do for Saturday and Sunday, if I have any options for that. And then I need something for the header. I'm definitely going to use the mermaids. See if I can use the coral up top. And we're going to use the bubbles. I think I want to use this. Focus on happy. And I'm gonna move some of this over and make it fit. Something like that at the top. Okay, so let me get to putting down the washi tape and getting this spread ready to go. And I was trying to kind of align this so that I wouldn't put the washi tape all the way across if I didn't need to, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to go ahead and just use the washi all the way across, like so. Didn't know if I was going to use a doll or not, but I think I am. This is Ariel by JD in Brooklyn. So I think I'm going to use her. But I'm not going to use a giant one. I think I'll use this one. So this was a digital, and I print and cut them myself, as you can tell by how messed up the cut is. But I finally figured out what's going on with my machine, so my cut should be better in the future. I think I'm going to put her right here. Kind of in the crease, but not really. Okay, so I got room. Now I need to put my days of the week and my dates. I'm gonna try and use this calendar book from Agenda 52, the Paper Studio, which is a Hobby Lobby brand. How are these gonna look? I mean, it's the same colors as that, so maybe I can get away with it. Let's see. And then I can put them in the center like this, maybe. I'm gonna go for it. Let's go ahead and put it back in the traveler's notebook. I think it turned out really nice, actually. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this week's food diary plan with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.